Welcome back everyone to the online class. So today is Thursday. Every Thursday we are going to study about the grammar Galaxy 2 and the Hangout 5. So everyone, today video we are going to continue our practice, which is in number page 44. Please open your student book to page 44 together. Yes, so it is about our part F and part G. In our part F, what you are going to practice in this session is you have to unscramble and write. Okay, but before we getting started with our practice stage, I would like to clarify about what is the usage of the simple past, right? So as we know that we use the simple past to talk about something that happened in the past time or something that were true in the past, right? So moreover, we also have three main forms. So the first form is about the positive form, negative form, and the question form. How can you form this? So for the positive form, we need to form with subject plus verb to and plus the object. And how about the negative form? So for the negative form, we just add did not, okay? So it's just like subject plus did not plus verb 1 and plus the object. And how about the last form, which is the question form? So in the question form, we need to place the word did in front of the sentence, like did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object and the question mark. So here are about the forms in our simple past. So everyone, so I know that you can do this exercise. So please turn your book to page 44. Make sure that you are doing exercise with me. So I will correct only two or some of the sentence in our exercise in each section. So we go to section F, unscramble and write. So there are 5 sentences as what you can see. The first one, we have the word planned, last Sunday, we, and a picnic. Okay, so to do the unscramble exercise, the kind of unscramble exercise like this, so you need to make sure that you have to find the subject in the sentence, the verb, and the object in the sentence. Because generally in a sentence, we conduct with 3 things that are really important, which is the subject, verb, and the object. Like in our exercise today, okay, so number 1, we have the word planned. So what is planned? Is the subject, verb, or the object? So the word planned in here is the verb in our sentence, right? So everyone, as what you can see, the verb planned, we need to double the letter N, right? Because it is spelled with vowel plus consonant N. So that's why we need to double N and then you have to add ED, right? As you remember in the regular of the verb past simple, right? Okay, so now we're gonna start with the subject first. So the subject in our sentence number 1 is the word we, right? So we is stand for the subject in the sentence. We. Okay, yeah, we. So we found the subject. Now let's find the verb. As what we have taught already, the planned is the verb in the sentence. Yeah, plan with ed. Yes, so we planned what? Okay, we planned a picnic. Yes, we planned a picnic. We planned a picnic. And in our sentence, we also have the time expression. So where is the time expression? Here, right? Last Sunday. So last Sunday is the time expression about the simple past. As we have learned already, there are many time expressions in the simple past, such as last Sunday, last Monday, yesterday, in 2010. So these are about the time expression that you can use in the simple past, as what you can see in the number 1, right? Okay, so we planned a picnic last Sunday. So we have formed the sentence number 1. So as what you can read, we planned a picnic last Sunday. Okay, so move to the next sentence. Sentence number 2. Okay, as what you can see in sentence number 2, we see the question mark, right? So the question mark is about the question form, right? Okay, so how can you make the question form in the simple past, everyone? Yes, so as what I told you, to make the question form, we need to find the auxiliary verb did, right? So where is did? Okay, here, right? So we need to put the word did in front of the sentence. Okay. Yeah. So did. Okay. So did is already chosen. Right. So now let's find the subject. Where is the subject? So the subject is the word Lee, right? So Lee stands for the subject. Did Lee? Lee is the name of someone, okay? Did Lee what? And then we need to form with the verb. Our verb is the verb like. Did Lee like what, everyone? Yeah, like his gift. Okay, and then you need to put question mark. Very good. Okay, one more. How can you answer this question? Did Lee like his gift? Okay, so if Lee liked his gift, how can you answer this? So you can say, yes, he did. Yes, he did. But if not, you can say, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he did not, right? Okay, so for sentence 3, 4, and 5, I want you to practice by yourself. Okay, so make sure you are on page 44 and you are doing the exercise with me. Okay, very good. So for sentence number 3 and 4 and 5, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so just do like what I told you. First, you need to find the subject and verb, and the last thing is about the object in a sentence, and make sure that the sentence is about the question form, negative or positive form. Okay, for question form, as what you can see, we have the question mark. All right, so in the part G, underline the mistake, write the corrections. Okay, so there are 6 sentences. So sentence number 1, as what you can read, they shop for new shoes. Okay, so did you notice about the mistake in the sentence number 1, everyone? Okay, where is the mistake? Is it the word they shopped for new shoes? Alright, so where is the mistake in sentence number 1? So in sentence number 1, the mistake is about the verb. So what is the verb in a sentence? The verb shop, right? So shop is the verb. So actually, as what I told you already, whenever that the verb that has vowel plus consonant, you need to double the consonant. Okay, you have to double the consonant. For example, like the verb shop. Okay, so it's spelled with vowel O and consonant P. So you have to double what? Double consonant. So what consonant? Consonant P. Okay, so SHO double P, and you have to add ED. Alright, so the mistake is about the verb. Okay, that's what you can see. So I will cross it out and I write the new one. Shopped. SHO double P and ED. Alright, so the correct is they shopped new shoes. Okay, so now number 2, mom and dad meet in 1987. So in 1987 is about the time expression, or we can call it as the past time expression, right? So it happened in 1987. Okay, what happened? So something happened is mom and dad meet in 1987. But what is the mistake in our sentence? So the mistake is also The verb, yeah, the verb in our number 2 is the mistake. It's not correct. Why? Why, everyone? Okay, so the reason that it is not correct, it is about the verb meet. How to change the verb into the irregular verb. So actually you have studied about the regular verb, and for our next section you will be studying about that lesson as well. It is about the irregular verb of the simple past, right? So just want to correct for you. So mom and dad met. Alright, so for the verb meet, it changed to met, right? So mom and dad met in 1987. Alright, so for more sentences, I want you to practice. So start from sentence number 3 until sentence number 6, okay? Alright, so as what I told you in the part G, what you need to do is underline the mistake, write the corrections, okay? So now let's start doing it with part F as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask your teacher in the group Telegram. So this is the end of the first video. See you in the second video.